Welcome to my ultimate Jurassic Park tour review. Over here we have the Indominus Rex, my favorite one. It is genetically made from a velociraptor and a T-Rex. I'm going to show you what it can do. See, I have these small dinosaurs here. Very small dinosaurs. Watch what it can do. Can you feed them? Then you have to pull this lever out of the end to get the dinosaurs out. The next one we have here is a Stiggy Moloch. It has the strongest head-butting thing, head out of all the dinosaurs. And plus, it's the tallest one. And watch what I can do. You can push the tail in, do this, and then push it out, and then it plops out. You can also move its arms and legs. Over here we have Blue the Velociraptor. This one is a very small one when she was a baby. It can move its arms, legs, but nothing else. Well, it can also move the tail a little bit, but let's do it. Put that there. Next up we have this Baryonyx Grim. It can open its mouth and it can roar. And it can also move its arms, legs, and a little bit of its tail to move the head. Next up, we have the Sinoceratops. It can roar. It roars when you bend the tail, and it moves its head too. It also moves its legs. It has no arms because it's an herbivore, and it has these plates. And look at these holes. And look at this big giant horn, biggest horn of all the Triceratops families. Next up, we have this long-necked Brachiosaurus. A Brachiosaurus is a sauropod, which bends its neck to go down. It also looks side to side when it turns its neck like this. Pretty cool, huh? It also moves its tail. It's a giant sauropod. Its legs move too. And guess what? Here's a cool fact. If the tree is too tall, the Brachiosaurus stands up on its two hind legs to reach the tall tree. This dinosaur is one of the biggest dinosaurs to ever exist. Bigger than the Indominus Rex. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one we have here is called Carnotaurus Toro. You might have guessed Toro was named by the kids in CAMP CRETACEOUS. It roars, it opens its mouth and closes its mouth by pushing the contact. Its arms move. Its really, really tiny arms move. Here's a close-up because it's really tiny. And its legs move too. And it's also its feet. Oh. Next one is a teeny tiny one. Next up is a tiger striped velociraptor. And I can believe it can jump. If you bend down, it can jump. Not that much though. It moves its arms, and it moves its mouth, and it does not move its tail, only if you bend it. Oh, next one is the tiger striped velociraptor. It is actually very, very movable. Its legs move, its claws move, Its mouth moves, its tail moves, and even its claw moves too. And I also have the tiger stripe, and I think it's not. I think it's like an owl. Okay. Next one is one of my all-time favorites, the Sacrosuchus. Look at this big jaw. It can open and close its mouth with this button. And its feet move too. La 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 la. And its neck moves too if you turn the tail. La 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 la. I'm doing a little dance. And I actually like the color scheme. See it? And I also like how this mouth has a little bit of a sludgy ball. Over here we have the little dinosaurs to feed you the brush. Over here we have the Albertosaurus. It can open and close its mouth, but it does not roar. It turns its neck too. It turns its arms, and it kind of walks like the Carnotaurus, and it also moves its legs, feet too. Oh, this one, last one of the day, is this big Mosasaurus. Its mouth moves. Its gigantic mouth moves. Its tail moves. Oh, wow. And the fins move too. And guess what? It's a little slightly taller than the Brachiosaurus. In real life, this Mosasaurus, named Maggie, was over 50 feet long. That's about the size of 5 T-Rexes. And also its mouth moves too. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more, I'll make more videos with these dinosaurs and more. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. Goodbye.